Blake Lively is asking the court for a protective order after all of the backlash she has received with all of this lawsuit drama, and her attorneys are asking for parameters for the protective order that go beyond the typical model protective order from the courts. So attorneys for Lively and Reynolds submitted the request to Judge Louis J. Lyman last night, and among the requests for the proposed protective order, which they also filed in a separate document, are an attorney's eyes only category, which applies to confidential discovery material of such a highly confidential and personal, sensitive, or proprietary nature that the revelation of such is likely to cause a competitive, business, commercial, financial, personal, or privacy injury. This basically means they only want the attorneys to be able to see this material so that it's not released to the public because it could provide injury to Lively and Reynolds. In their request, they went on to claim that good cause exists for the court to adopt the proposed PO, and they cited the amended complaint that they just filed, where they included several Instagram comments threatening Blake Lively. They said, as detailed in Ms. Lively's amended complaint, Ms. Lively, her family, other members of the cast, various fact witnesses, and individuals that have spoken out publicly in support of Ms. Lively have received violent, profane, sexist, and threatening communications. And they're not wrong. If you go to any social media accounts talking about this case, or to Lively and Reynolds accounts themselves that haven't been filtered and comments deleted, you will see the vitriol that has been thrown at them. After this request was filed, Baldoni's team said in a statement, quote, "We do not condone dangerous rhetoric targeted toward anyone, no matter the situation." They said they have also faced threats during the dispute and said anyone receiving violent messages by anonymous parties is abhorrent. When private parties were wrongfully accused by Lively and her paid team of wrongdoing, they received continuous death threats and visits to private homes where young children reside. No one should have to face that, especially private parties who do not have means for security detail. So they're basically agreeing that this protective order should probably be granted for everyone's safety.